Hello guys, welcome to today's video. I'd like to begin with a big thanks to every one of you for all the comments, all the advice you've been giving us in the comment section, the requests, the feedback, the love and support from all over the world. We're grateful and thankful. This video is meant to try and address some of your questions and try to answer them. Some of the most common questions that we've been receiving from you guys are: what size of beads do we use? What size of fishing line do we use? And lately also we've been receiving questions like how to make perfect corners while we're making the bracelets. So we're going to try and answer the questions. On the size of beads that we use, we mostly use size 10/0. The fishing line, we use 0.30 millimeters of fishing line, as you can see on the screen. And we're going to have a short video demonstrating how to make neat corners. That is a bit slow. My general advice generally when it comes to beadwork is don't be afraid to make mistakes, because that is how you learn from them. And also it would really help us if in the comment section you will let us know if these lessons have been helping you. Also, you can reach us or answer us through our Instagram page at Stike Arts and Landscaping, or via our WhatsApp. The details are in the description below. Also, you can continue suggesting through the comment section what you'd love to see next. And please don't forget to leave a like and share this and many of our videos that we have, so that we can all learn together.